Redbubble is a fantastic print-on-demand marketplace. It is a platform very similar to Merch by Amazon, TeePublic or Spreadshirt. It is free to use and they do all the work. All you need to do is just upload your design on Redbubble, create a description, add title and tags, and that's it. Redbubble will make the rest. They will promote your design, print it on products, ship it to customer, and they will provide customer support. If you are someone who likes to focus on design creation, then such a print-on-demand platform is great for you. And if you are a designer on Redbubble with tons of artwork, and you want to find out if there is a way to upload your designs faster, then in this video I will show you a cool feature or trick that will help you upload your design faster without any software. But before we get right into the video, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe, because on this channel I like to talk all about realistic ways to making money online and really showing you my journey along the way to creating a side hustle. Let's go back to Redbubble, and once you are in, click on your icon and then click on Add New Work button. If you are uploading your first design, then you need to select the Upload to All Products option. Find the design on your hard disk, upload it, and add a title, description, and tags. Since this is your first upload, you need to manually position it and enable the design to all existing products on the page. I always recommend enabling all the products because it will increase the chance of getting sales. Another important thing you should do is to create a design with optimized dimensions for Redbubble and then always use the same dimension for another design. This simple trick means that the next time you upload a design, it will be positioned about right. This can definitely save you lots of time, believe me. So take your time, enable and position your design to all the products. Sometimes, when the design looks a little bit odd on some products, try to use the repeat feature to create a pattern. Just click on this button and select the type of the pattern. After that, bring it down in the position you like. Once you are done with all the work, scroll down and select the default product image. In my opinion, it is clever to select one of the most popular products on Redbubble, sticker or t-shirt. Then select No under the Is this major content section and then click the checkbox to confirm you have the rights to sell this design. In the next step, click the Save button. This action will upload the entire listing and your design to the Redbubble marketplace. Because at the beginning of this video, I have promised to show you a simple trick that will make upload to Redbubble faster, then this next step is where the speed comes in. Once again, click on the icon of your shop and click on Add New Work. Now, select the option called Copy Settings from Existing Work, and this action will open your Manage Portfolio page. This is a page where all your designs will be saved and you can easily edit them too. To use the upload trick the right way, you need to have another design with a similar dimension. If that's true, then click the gear icon on your design and select Copy Settings option from the menu. This is a smart feature that will copy all the settings from the design to a new one. All you need to do here is to upload the new design by replacing the image. And don't forget to create a new title, description and tags. But the whole magic is all the products that have been available on the previous listing are enabled also here, and all you need to do is just check the position of the design. Once you are done, scroll down and select the default product image. Select No under Is this major content section and then click the checkbox to confirm you have the rights to sell this design. Just imagine you want to upload 20 designs in a day. designs with the same dimension. Do you know how much time this simple trick can save you? I'm using this method every time I need to upload something on my Redbubble shop, and believe me, I'm fast enough so I don't need to pay for any uploading software. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Nech Empire YouTube channel.